Why do you need to invest $100 into SIGI token? Hey, and welcome to the crypto world, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly, before we start, we gotta let you know, this video is not financial advice, and honestly, we're not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your own research. With that being said, let's head to the video. What if you want to invest in real estate to own a piece of land? Well, you may think you need thousands of dollars for that, but what if you can start investing in real estate with just a few $100s? This may not seem believable, right? And we know why that is. The real estate market has been limited to business tycoons, but now anyone that has a few $100s can invest in the prime locations and wait for prices of properties to increase and pocket a profit. But wait, how's this all going to happen? Is it the real estate investment trust or right or something else? What if we can move real estate to the blockchain world? Now you can understand what we're talking about. A crypto token that has been backed by real estate. But how is it different from all other real estate investments, and is it beneficial or not? What if you could invest only a few $100s in real estate but have the liberty to make decisions? This is what the SIGI token lets you do. But what else has it got? Don't think too much, because today we're going to talk about why do you need to invest $100 into SIGI token. If you'd save some money but couldn't invest in real estate since only deep-pocketed people could do it, SIGI can be the best option for you. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press that little bell icon to watch more beneficial videos related to the crypto world. Let's get started. What is SIGI token? SIGI token can be considered as a right where you can invest directly into various real estate, but it has one key difference. Instead of being off-chain, SIGI is a crypto token existing on the blockchain backed up by real assets like real estate. What it really means is that by investing in a SIGI token, you actually invest in the real estate of the project. SIGI token has literally revolutionized the entire concept of investing in real estate because now anyone with an internet connection and a wallet can invest in real estate for just a few $100s. You no longer need to have thousands or millions to own a piece of land and wait for it to increase its value. But this is where you think about the profit you can get. Since you're investing only a little amount of money, your profit will be little, right? But that's not the case. SIGI token covers the real estate of Tampa Bay, Florida to California, which is one of the prime locations in the country. In other words, no matter whether you take a big or small investment, you're going to get considerable profit from the SIGI token. The project and its organization have been backed up by an excellent team of real estate marketing and finance professionals and gurus who know how to structure a win-win strategy. They've tried to tailor a medium where anyone can invest in real estate and take advantage of the ever-increasing real estate market. The project wants to do something that has never been done before, to loosen the monopoly of the big business tycoons and let small investors see what real estate has to offer. I mean, imagine you're a small investor who wants to invest in real estate, but buying only a single house, a piece of land, or a single unit may cost you thousands of dollars. You either wait and meanwhile increase your saved money to make a difference, or leave the real estate industry completely. But with SIGI tokens, you're not limited to the amount of money you want to invest. You can simply buy SIGI tokens, meaning you'll own the actual part of the real estate, and sell them anytime you want. In simple words, SIGI tokens have various real estates as underlying assets that give them actual value. And it doesn't stop there. Imagine you're someone who doesn't live in the US, but wants to invest in real estate in the US. So to do so, you got to go to the US, select a property, run an inspection, and finally buy it. It costs you thousands of extra dollars besides the extra energy you put in. But with SIGI tokens, you can invest directly in various real estate in Florida and California without worrying about security. When you buy a SIGI token, the information that you bought a particular part of real estate is stored on the blockchain. In simple words, investing in real estate has been made so secure, you no longer have to worry about ownership. But why do you need to invest at least $100 in the SIGI token? There are countless reasons that support the idea of investing in the SIGI token as the best strategy for the future. At present, SIGI token has not been officially launched. Everyone really does know about it, and it's ready to purchase as many as they can to be one of the earlier investors of the projects. Why investing in the SIGI token is literally the most profitable decision to make is due to the reason that it's a start of a whole new crucial concept. We've seen earlier that every time something new always sells and dominates the market. Take the example of Bitcoin. It was the first ever cryptocurrency and no one believed in it. And today it's being traded at tens of thousands of dollars. The same is the case with the SIGI token. It's giving a new concept, which is shifting real estate to the blockchain world. And this is the very reason that it's enough for it to dominate the market the very moment it's launched. Bitcoin didn't have any underlying assets, but the SIGI token has real estate that backs it up. Even investing only $100 is enough for you to see how dramatically it can grow within no time. Your $100 investment can turn into $1,000 within no time due to the only reason of SIGI utility. That doesn't even end there. Let's say you want to invest in a property located in Florida. It's worth $200,000, but you don't have to pay at all. You can invest as much money as you want in this property. Let's say this particular one has been divided into 200,000 tokens, each worth $1. Now you can invest 100, 1,000, or 10,000 in this property by buying a SIGI token, and you'll own a part of the property. What happens next is kind of surprising. You can get the profit, which can be rented from the property, that will be evenly distributed among the token holders of that particular property. Everyone gets a share depending upon the amount of money they've invested. Why investing only a few $100s is crucial, and at the start, it's due to the reason that this project seems to have the potential to hit the sky. It can expand its territory and cover different states of the country, meaning more investment changes, more value, and more profit. The latest news you can get from SIGI is that they're going to launch a feature in the first 30 days of their launch that'll let you track your money and how your property is actually doing. If you're willing to invest in SIGI now, the initial pool available for sale consists of 30,000 tokens, and the liquidity pool will increase in size every few days for the next couple of weeks. We know what you're thinking. Where's this project been hiding for so long, right? SIGI token is a combination of both crypto token and real estate and can bring profit from both the markets, becoming the most potential asset to be bought in today's market. Did you know now that real estate could be shifted to blockchain? What does that really mean? Well, now you can invest as little as you want, and don't worry about your investment security. Don't be shy. Comment right below in the comment section. How much money are you thinking to invest in SIGI token? Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to watch more amazing videos related to the crypto world. Until the next video, stay tuned.